वेरी क्विकली अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. आई थिंक मैंने बहुत सवाल आंसर किए हैं इस वक्त और काफ़ी सारी. Guys, South Korea is a very interesting example to follow. South Korea, model of growth. I tell you, let's look at South Korea more. So, can you guys give me a small study of success, like a small paragraph of things that they've done that Pakistan could have done? Malaysia is interesting. Malaysia is almost hybrid, but Malaysia. Okay, so this is work. South Korea, Malaysia. Give me success stories, and they don't have to be purely ISI or UI, but there has to be a theme in it कि इन्होंने कौन से टाइम पे क्या फॉलो किया. Choose a country of your choice. Show me what you're doing. अच्छा, एक सवाल आया था कि export oriented strategies were fairly unsuccessful after World War II. I would like you to send me that paragraph where you read this. लेकिन अगर मैं इसको बिल्कुल सिंपली देखूँ तो मैं ये कहूँगी कि उस वक्त वर्ल्ड वॉर टू के बाद क्या हुआ था. यू वर ऑल टेकिंग केयर ऑफ़ योर ओन नीड्स. यू नीडेड टू रीबिल्ड योर ओन इकॉनमीज. यू नीडेड टू मेक श्योर एवरीथिंग वाज वर्किंग फाइन विद इन योर ओन. तो क्योंकि बाहर की तो देखो ना, उन्हीं खपों की वजह से आपने काफ़ी सारी कॉलोनीज़ को भी फिर उनकी इंडिपेंडेंस दे दी कि भाई हम अपना काम करें अब. तो उसको मुझे बताओ कि do you think a more outward approach would have worked or a more inward approach would have worked? Second, clearly a lot of economies had started to gain independence at that point, and independence के तो फ़ौरन बाद I don't think, ये चेक करो थाईलैंड वाईलैंड ने शुरू में थोड़ा सा भी ISI फॉलो किया या फ़ौरन ही दे जम्प्ड इनटू EOI. तो सारी कंट्रीज़ ने ISI थोड़ा सा तो फॉलो किया. वो कुछ कितना लेवल, फर्स्ट लेवल, सेकंड लेवल, थर्ड लेवल, आई डोंट नो कितने कितने लेवल तक गए. इसलिए worst examples of ISI would be I think somewhat Latin American economies, because अंदर इतनी ज़्यादा rent seeking थी तो और exploitation की opportunities भी थी. And so yeah, that's interesting. I think that kind of brings me to the end of today's question answer session. I think that was a lot. Let me just one question. Okay, sorry guys. Wages in China are going up, therefore there will be new opportunities for production in other parts of the world. I think simply because once China was a hub for cheaper labor, a lot of production opportunities were going to China, or production opportunities were being outsourced to China. And because of that, other countries that could not keep labor at that particular price, but because labor की wages are going up in China now, I think this is what it means कि now you're kind of that production can just go to another country also. So I think that's what it means. I hope I've answered that question. I think that's it. Okay, one thing that I'm giving to you to do is that a lot of you talked about currency, and उसमें आपने दो तीन बहुत मज़े की terminologies की बात की है. That's homework for you. What is the nominal rate of protection and what does it do? Dual exchange rates क्या होते हैं मुझे बताओ. Dual exchange rates क्या होते हैं? You just have to look them up actually. I can tell you what they are, but I want to give you some work to do also. And devaluation versus depreciation. Come on guys, those of you who asked me that, I rarely ever say this. Oh really, is that a question? But devaluation versus depreciation, come on, how many of you are going like, what, someone asked that? Yeah, somebody asked devaluation versus depreciation. So one is deliberate, the other one is when you are free floating. Okay, and what exchange rate would you be following if you were following ISI or EOI? And yeah, can you hear Isa in the back? Yeah, so today was a bit of a whirlwind. I think lecture went alright. What do you think? On a personal note, it's been exhausting because I think it might just be kind of starting to hit me. Okay, there's a lot to be done, and but we all breathe, we all do what we need to do, we all kind of do what needs getting done and leave what so I hope on a personal level all of you are feeling all right. And if you're slightly untethered, find something to tether yourself to at this point in time. If that is family, let it be family. Do not snap at family members. There's a tendency to snap at them and then you regret it. We're all going through a rough time. Parents, they don't know what to how to explain this to us. They don't understand. I'm not talking about me only, but you guys, they might be getting on your nerves, but no, that's them clearly just not understanding what this world looks like right now. They've not known it. You guys are much more adept at adapting, and you guys are much more sort of, you know, because you call yourself all, you know, all of you are introverts and whatnot, तो आप लोग शायद ठीक हो, उन लोगों को नहीं समझ आ रहा, and clearly the level of interaction with domestic staff is less, so everybody is slightly stressed, and it also makes you appreciate all those people, all the army that works in our daily sort of routine. And I will continue to say, think globally. In fact, don't think globally maybe, but act locally. Take care of the people who are just sort of in your command chain, in your income chain. Keep that cycle going. Do what you can do. Think of community. Think of local works at this point. Do not worry yourself with government issues like ji tel khareed ke rakh lein. I am so proud of all of you. I am so proud of all of you for stepping up and calling that bull for what it was. कि no, it's not as simple as this कि जी आप तेल खरीद के 10 साल के लिए रख लें. Do you think people have not thought about that? Do you think demand and supply would sort of become redundant then, because then everybody would hoard and everybody would, it just become, you know. So how amazing is it that you all were able to come up with that answer? I'm so proud of you, and I'm missing all of you, and please continue to do the work that I'm setting. Can we reduce the time so that, you know, because I couldn't make this lecture before I'd done all the reading on you guys. So if we could not maybe take a week, but maybe take 3 or 4 days till the next class. अब मैं वो वाले पॉइंट पे आई हूँ जब बेल बज चुकी है या टाइम हो चुका है और तब से तुम लोग मुझे देख रहे हो कि बस कर दें मैम, लेकिन यू नो हाउ आई don't like letting a class go. Okay, now I'm just rambling into a screen because finally conditions are fine for, okay, ISI EOI. Basic aim was to get you to understand that countries have a deliberate industrialization strategy, or they think that they do. And look who's here, and he's gonna share report. Hi, Isa. Okay, so we're trying to teach Isa some words. Isa, can you say mama? Mama? Mom. No, Isa Zazi nahi. Isa mama? Mama? Okay, mama, look there. Gaga nahi hai, baba? Baba? Okay, and Muhammad? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Miss you. See you guys. Do you guys like this hairstyle, Anissa? Oh, he's stinky. Okay. Oh, we don't feel like going, do we? Ah. Okay, now Issa's gonna say mama. Mama? Agi Gigi. Okay. If you have any thoughts on why he's not saying proper words, write in. Bye bye guys. Bye bye guys. What are we all going to have for iftari? Yeah? Bye. Take care everyone. Be safe. Take care of your loved ones. Stay home.